Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Chevy Equinox radio step by step. Begin by turning the ignition to accessory and observing the radio display for error codes. Gather a small flat tool and your vehicle's key, keeping a steady hand. Disconnecting a battery terminal may be needed, so wear gloves and avoid shorting the battery. Stay calm and follow each step slowly to avoid further errors. If your radio menu allows, start by using the power and home buttons to open the settings menu. Scroll to system or audio settings until you see a factory reset or restore defaults option. Select the reset and confirm when prompted, then wait for the unit to erase custom settings and restart. After reboot, re-enter paired devices and presets. This process often clears software glitches and returns normal operation. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car tutorials. Quick recommendation. I spotted a book that can truly change how you think about money, called The Simple Path to Wealth, and thought I'd mention it here with a smile. Check the description for the link and other deals if you're curious, then now let's get back to the video. When a soft reset fails, perform a hard reset by disconnecting the negative battery terminal for a few minutes and then reconnecting it. Before doing this, make sure you have radio security codes and presets backed up or noted. If the radio still shows no power, check the appropriate fuse in the interior or engine fuse box for the audio system. Swap any blown fuse with the exact same amp rating and retest carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.